Market going downside direction, sell call generated, red color candle open. It's a signal generator. Automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Right now sell call, so red signal open. Okay. Daily basis, automatically you will get these calls like a signal. Right now you are watching the video now. Like this daily you will watch the chart, you will get the entries. Through the entry points, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading. That by connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. For chart details, if you want the plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. It's a Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. Today, March 20th, after 2:45, sell call generator. The call came at 47,695. That is our entry point range. That straight white line from red candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So daily basis, it will analyze the market, and whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give this calls like a signal. So right now downside breakout happen, sell call generator. After 20 minutes of market momentum, it finally break out the first target range. First target is more than a 100-point range. The entry point is 695. First target is 575. It's 120-point first target range. Next 1 minute, it break out the second target range also. Like this today call generated and break out both the first and second target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp.